Some users have been facing this issue that all of a sudden the battery on their watch is draining too fast, sometime overnight or just in a few hours, not holding charge for long. In this video, we're going to recommend you some ways to maximize battery life on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now, we recommend you to start with close all the background apps every now and then. Now, after that, go check out some brightness settings from Settings to Display. Make sure adaptive brightness is turned off. Whenever you want, you can just manually increase or decrease the brightness. Now, after that, if you want, you can turn off Always on Display. This consumes a lot of battery on your watch. Scroll down in this section, and from here, you can reduce the screen timeout if it's set to maximum. If you're a user of Samsung Health, go open Samsung Health, scroll down, and go to Settings. Unless you have a medical need or health condition that requires constant monitoring that drains battery, set your heart rate measure to manually. Do the same for stress as well. Now, if you have enabled media controls on your watch, this drains battery whenever you listen to music on your phone. You can turn it off if you want from Settings to Display, turn off Show Media Controls. Now, experts suggest to use a darker watch face that uses less pixels. And if you want, you can just use a less complicated watch face that doesn't have a lot of functions like steps, BP, stress, or sleep tracker. And especially try to avoid animated watch faces. In addition to that, you can turn on power saving mode from the same battery settings. And these are the settings and options that will be disabled while you're on power saving mode. You can access this option anytime by swiping down and swipe left your watch face. Especially if you're traveling to somewhere without a charger or no option for charging, you can turn on watch only mode. From Settings to Battery and Device Care to Battery, and then turn on watch only mode. In that case, only your watch face will show whenever you press on the power button. To turn it off, either press and hold the power button or charge your watch. So these are the ways you can try to maximize the battery life on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Thank you for watching.